So here we are, 7 o'clock in the morning on Halloween, southeastern PA. Installed a solar pendant light my wife got for me for my shed, so easy to do. The panel's right there, hopefully you can see it. And I'm gonna open a door here and show you how bright it is. So it's set on a motion detector, so it's pretty cool. I used to be able to have to come out here and fumble around in the dark, so there you go. You can't really see the light, but it gets, this is a 20 by, I think it's 14 shed. And for one little light, it's not bad.
I'm going to show the response to the light. I'm walking to an outdoor shower we have in the backyard. See how it goes on. Oh, just went on. Yeah, it's a nice light.